I think I'm gonna make it out of this piece of old bed angle iron. If I drill a hole down here with a hole in the top and bolt that up into the dash, have this thing sticking out with my toggle switch on it. I've actually got a couple of holes right here. So what I might do is just click that off with my little cutting wheel, and I could round off the edges on the grindstone. Drill me a hole down here. In fact, it might make sense to drill the hole before I saw this, because it'd be hard to drill that once I cut that piece off. Alrighty then. So, if I cut this off in the appropriate spot there, then I should be able to hang that under the dash. I'll take my grinder and take that sharp edge off it. Go over here. I'll get everything set up, sorta. I guess I could kind of take the edges off them edges, maybe, too, if I could get this to sit in here just right. And I could take my little wheel and just kind of and I could take my other little, I got my other little grinder wheel over here. I could take the corners of that wheel. I'd make it right pretty, and it would keep me from scuffing up my fingers when I reach up under there to click it. I think that looks real fine there. Perfect. Now I can go up under the dash here and find a bolt that fits that hole that I was looking at under there, and then I'm going to take a little piece of sandpaper or use my little wheel grinder over here and just scuff up the edges of this a little bit more. So let's go into the dash, get my little flashlight, and we'll go into the dash and find a screw nut or bolt or whatever to fit that hole that I was looking at. And I know about how big it was, so I can probably almost grab one over here, look through my large, well-organized collection of there's a couple of wing nuts, but I know neither one of them. Got 3 different wing nuts in there, and I know none of them fits that Jeep. I've got a regular nut on there right now, but I need to get me a wing nut to fit that. I thought I might find the other one in the driveway after we pushed the snow around, but I haven't seen it yet. It might turn up. You know, it fell off one day when I was out there working on it in the blizzardy conditions. I'm enjoying this day a whole lot. You know, I hadn't felt good enough to get out and work outside, and also we had the weather for it much. But man, I'm enjoying it now. There's another wing nut, and that was too big, but I ought to put that one over there over here with these others. And this little screw It's way too long, but it looks like it's about the right size. I wonder if that's a threaded hole in that dash. I'll go in here and have a look at that.